Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 7, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong February 7, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Wednesday, February 7, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 7, 2024 Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 27.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 42.5 million pesos for Wednesday, February 7, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of February 7, 2024 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.